Welcome student with the new topic monarchy. I have read about democracy and this is the second form of government monarchy. Monarchy means king system because and you must hear about the Queen of Britain. Yes, but they also having prime ministers. So they follow constitutional monarchy, not a complete monarchy, constitutional monarchy. But in some country only the monarchy system followed. And in a monarchy, a king or queen hold the power to make decisions and enforce them. No election, no casting vote, not this type of election process. Only the king system. King system is hereditary. अब मीन्स कि एट प्रेजेंट फादर है तो आफ्टर दैट उसका बेटा किंग बनेगा. कोई डेमोक्रेसी नहीं मीन्स कि कोई वोटिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, वो कैपेबल है नहीं है, डजेंट मीन्स कि उसका बेटा है किंग का तो उसके बाद वो कंट्री का हेड बनेगा, किंग बनेगा. मोनार्क मे कंसल्ट ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल मीन्स कि वो अपनी कंसल्टिंग के लिए किसी ग्रुप को रख सकते हैं बट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी. Monarch does not stand accounting to the people for their decisions and actions. मीन्स कि वो अपने decisions और actions के लिए कोई accountable नहीं होते, कोई उनकी responsibility नहीं होती कि उन्होंने कोई promise किया है या उन्हें कोई work करना है. No one can say that. So this is the monarchy system. एंड एडवांटेजेस क्या है? एक तो स्टेबल होती है मोनार्की मीन्स कि कोई अपोज करने वाला नहीं होता, कोई अपोजिशन पार्टी नहीं होती, कुछ नहीं होता. कंट्रोल्ड मीन्स कि कंप्लीट कंट्री कंट्रोल रहता है. ट्रेडिशनल है, यूनिफाइंग है मीन्स कि वो फियर ही इतना होता है किंग का कि कोई उसके अगेंस्ट में रेज ही किसी की वॉइस रेज ही नहीं होती. बट डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है? नो क्राइटेरिया फॉर रूलिंग, ओनली द पर्सन हु अपॉइंटेड बाय द किंग, ओनली द किंग, नो क्राइटेरिया फॉर अदर पर्सनस. एक्सपेंसिव है बिकॉज जो किंग क्वींस होते हैं वो बहुत ही लग्जूरियस लाइफ स्पेंड करते हैं. मोनार्क इज रिमोट फ्रॉम एवरीडे पीपल, लिमिटेड इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, नो वोटिंग. मोनार्की में कोई वोटिंग नहीं होती. एग्जाम्पल जॉर्डन, मोनाको, सऊदी अरब, भूटान, दे हैविंग monarchy system. Yes, this person of Jordan, king, rule in Jordan country. And next one is Monaco. It is the name of country, not a Monaco biscuits. It is the country Monaco, king, also having monarchy system. So in a monarchy, a king and queen hold the power and the monarch does not stand accountable to the people for their decisions and actions. Now the universal adult franchise, because universal adult franchise means right to vote. Universal adult franchise means right to vote, and in our country up to 18 age or above having the right to vote, so it is called universal adult franchise. Because in India it was a long struggle to provide all the citizens of the country the right to elect their representatives. In the ancient time we were the colony of Britishers, so after a very long struggle we getting these rights to choose their representative. During the British rule, the British discouraged the participation of Indians in the governance of the country. Only the men with wealth were allowed to participate in elections, whereas women, the poor, and the people who had no property were not allowed to cast their votes. When India attained independence, when we got independence, 15 August 1947, the right to vote was extended to all sections of the society. Not discriminate means man, women, lower, higher, to all classes, because in other countries women don't get the rights with the men, but in our country all peoples, man, women, higher, lower, all were getting right to vote on 15 August 1947 when we getting the independence. In Britain, in USA also they got independence in 1793, but the women got right to vote in 1920. After 1793 to 1920, women got. But in our country, all having right to vote with the independency of our country. So, a democracy is a form of government where people elect their representatives by voting in the elections, and the right to vote that all adult citizens of a country hold is called the universal adult franchise. Thank you, student.